Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a message to refill sticker on Instagram story tutorial. So all you have to do right now is open your Instagram and create your story. So you can create your own story, but you want to hidden you want to make like a puzzle or clue so your friend can refill by direct message to you. So you can use this sticker apps feature and try to use this refill. Tap it. So you can try to make a clue here. The clue is lo-fi, for example. Done. This is a message to refill, and this is the preview. This is how your story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to refill it. So after this done, you can get back so you can pause into your story. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.